What up, YouTube? Just making a quick update video. 63 Impala rag. It's an experiment we doing here. Can't find a sandblaster, so we doing at-home metal dip on the frame with citric acid. I already did the springs and the suspension parts over here, and they came out just beautiful. I mean, you can see the marks on from the factory, 50-year-old marks, grease marks, and stuff like that on it. But we don't put this frame in here. It's been soaking for about 2 days. Up there where you see the brown at, couldn't get that already all the way fully submerged in the water. But all of this part was the same color as the brown. As you can see, it's coming off real good. A lot of people say you hydrogen and brittle these frames. I've talked to a couple people with engineering licenses, and most of them say the acid is not strong enough to do that. So we're gonna put this to the test. Car guys against chemists, and see what comes of it. Still gotta come up with something for these spring perches up here that I couldn't get under the water. But it's going good. 2 days in, probably let it go. Well, I'm just gonna go for just by sight, see how much it is. You know what I'm saying? It's coming off, and by the time I think it's ready, I'm gonna let it all go. You can actually flush this stuff down a sewer, which we don't have a sewer you can flush with. It's biodegradable, natural product, no chemicals at all. Basically, it's like lemon juice, lime juice, citric acid from citric fruit. I got it in this bag right where I left the bag over there. It's that yellow bag over there. 50-pound bag was like 75 bucks. I used almost all of it. But that was between those suspension parts and this frame right here. And after I take this frame out, I could really use this 2-3 more times, and it'd probably still be good. But it's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this water out of here as soon as possible after this frame is dipped. If this don't work, I will not be posting this to YouTube. So if this does work, if this does end up on YouTube, then you know it worked. So, yeah, put this to the test. I would say this is something you should do probably in your backyard, but I end up doing it in the garage, and as you can see how cluttered my garage is at this point. But when this frame come out, I'm gonna straighten everything back out. But yeah, that's where we at, YouTube. It's working really well at this point. I know you can see the bare metal it's done got down to in about 2 days. I just bumped the acid up a little bit more. Might put a little more water in here just to top it off a little bit, but it's working very well. At this point, the thick rust, I mean, man, it's just, yeah, it's getting rid of all of that. So worst can happen in this situation is put this frame back together and it break apart. You know what I'm saying? From hydrogen embrittlement, which people with degrees who are, my friends with degrees who are chemical engineers as well as engineers are saying that this acid is not strong enough to cause hydrogen embrittlement on these parts. So we will see. The most I'm gonna lose is probably about a $700 frame. But we're gonna prove a point here today. All right, YouTube, I'll bring y'all back when we get more updates. All right, peace.